Okay, we are discussing about what? Operators. Am I right? Now you tell me guys, what is the operator? Operators are symbols, are special symbols. Operators are special symbols which will perform, what is that? Which will perform, what is that? Come on. Actions is called operators. Am I right? I am repeating, what is that operators? Operators are special symbol which will perform actions is called operators. Which will perform actions or operations. Okay, which will perform actions or operations on variables. What is that? Variables. Okay, next, there are multiple types of operators. What are they? Already we discussed arithmetic operators. Am I right? Arithmetic operators. Next, other one is what? What are the other operators we covered? Do you remember? Comparison operators. Okay, arithmetic, other one is comparison operators. Comparison operators. Okay, now other two important I am going to discuss about is what? Identity operators. Identity operators. Other one is what? Membership operators. What is that? Membership operators. Okay, see guys, arithmetic operators are, you know, right? Plus, okay, minus, okay, star mark, and all. So comparison operators are what? What are the comparison operators? Equal, okay, not equal, greater than symbol, less than symbol, okay, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, okay, these are comparison operators. Okay, what are the identity operators? These two are important. Mostly we will use it. What are they? Is, okay, is not. So the output would be always true or false. True or false. Okay, membership operators are what guys? Come on. In, not in. Okay, these also what? True or false. What is that? These also true or false. We can call them as. Okay, now as of now we discussed about basic data types. What are the basic data types in Python? Anyone? Integer, string, Boolean value, float. Okay, now I am going to introduce about data structures. Data structure. Okay, in data structure, we have four types of data structures. One is list, second one is tuple. Okay, third one is set. Okay, fourth one is what? Dict. Dict means dictionary. Note it down. List, tuple, dictionary. Okay, set, we can declare it as in square brackets. Okay, tuple, we can declare it as a what? Parenthesis. Okay, set and dictionary, we can declare it as what is that? Curly braces, guys. Okay, curly braces. Clear? We'll give the definition. Just try to understand it. Okay, they are very, very, very important. Okay, what are the data structures available in the Python, guys? What are the data structures available in Python? One is list, tuple, okay, dictionary. Yeah. Next, now go to your. Have you created ML Studio? That day I have shown you. Do you remember? Anyone? Abhinav, Krishna, Chaitanya, Ashish. Abhinav, Ashish, Chaitanya.
Oh, actually, I
Nation.
was not on that
Okay,
class.
I have shown you, right, how to create ML service and studio now.
Yeah.
Okay, so real time mostly nowadays people are using this one only, guys. Okay, fine. Now go to here services. In the services, there is a ML Studio. Click on ML Studio and create the what? Workspace. Okay, just to create the workspace, there is a separate sessions for ML guys. I will explain it over there. Okay, why I'm requesting you know, I would like to show you nowadays development is happening here itself. Now click on ML Studio. Now launch it. Now launch. Okay, mostly in Azure, no, they are developing using ML Studio itself. Here, see guys, we have notebooks and Azure ML and the designer. These three are important. Okay, notebooks are full code. Next, designer is low code and no code. Auto ML, fully no code solutions, guys. Okay, that's why nowadays, now itself, I am making you use of what is that notebooks here. Okay, already last session we created what? Plant flow. So this is the operator we have created in last session. Got it, guys? Operator.py. Okay, now I am going to discuss about what? Identity operators. What are the identity operators, guys? Is not. What is that? Is not. Now, I am giving, see, this is my ML. It is running fine. Okay, already we have created. Now I am giving x equal to 10, x equal to 10, y equal to something 9. Okay, y equal to 9. Now, if you ask me, print x is y, is it true or false? Y is, yeah. Okay, now you tell me this is the true or false. Anyone?
This should be false.
Okay, yeah. Now print. Okay, x is not y. Which one is the true? Which one is the false?
X is not Y is true.
Okay, this is the true, right?
The
This
first
is
one
false.
is false.
Okay, this is one.
Yes.
True.
Okay, true. Okay, how can you check the output? There is a open terminal is there. Click on open terminal. It will be open. Two tabs are there. Terminal and operators. Now, dir. Okay, now cd python. Okay, now if you want, you can change it to doc. It would be good. Now dir. Here we have what? You can type it ll. ll, it will give you the list of files. Operator.py, operator.py, AML run. Now, how can you run it? Python. Come on, operators.py. Hit enter. See, first one is false. Okay. Second one is true. Same thing. First one is false. Second one is true. Got it? Okay. Now I will give the different form. Now what I can do now, comment it. How can I comment it?
Hash.
Okay, highlight all the lines. Control /. We will get all the lines hash, guys. Okay, now I am declaring it as a list. So A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, B equal to 6, 7, list. We will discuss it, guys. What is the list? Now just I want to show you the functionality. Okay, 10. Now, yeah, print. Okay, A is B. Is it correct? True or false?
False.
Okay, so we will check. Print. Okay, A is not B. Okay, so this is the operator. Click on here, clear the window, clear the window. So after creating it, this is running on top of which operating system, guys? Linux. Am I right? How to check? You name, type it, backend it is showing the Linux. What type of operating system it is? How can you check? How can I check? So cat etc directory. Okay, OS-release. See, it is using Ubuntu. Backend, what is that? Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, fine. Clear the window. Now, ll python. What is that? Operator.py. See, it is showing false. First one is false. It is not been saved, right? Save it. Now rerun it. See, first one is false. Second one is true. First one is false. Okay. Yeah. So A is not B. A is B. So that is false only, right? Both are stored in different locations. Okay, so that it is fine. Now A is not B, that is correct only. So they are true only. Why? Because A is variable different, B is variable different. Now that's why here it is going true. Okay, so this is about what? Identity operator. Sorry, identity operators. Is not. Now I am going to create another operators. Now create it, create new file. So here I am giving what? .py. Okay, here I am giving what? A membership operators. Membership operators. Okay, now just create it. What is that? Membership operators. Now again you can create the what? List. Okay, how can you create the list, guys? Come on, can anyone tell me? What is the list syntax? List always we can declare it in the format of what? Square brackets, guys. Remember, these are all the tricks. Okay, I can say, okay, let's see fruits. What is that? Fruits. Okay, fruits I can declare it in square brackets. Square bracket in the sense, please remember list. I will come to that list, guys. What is the data structure symbol? Okay, now here I am giving apple. Okay, I am giving orange. Okay, third one is something mango. Now you tell me print. What is that? Print. Okay, so uh, apple, apple, apple in fruits. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? Can anyone tell me?
True.
Yeah, it is true. Okay,
True
now
only.
print. Okay, print. Give me another one fruit name.
Banana.
Yeah, banana. Okay, banana not in, what is that? Fruits. Is it true or false?
True.
It is
True.
true only, right? Banana, that variable is not there here. Okay, now save it. Don't forget to save it. Okay, now go to okay, yeah, based on now go to here. Yeah, don't forget to save it. Okay, I'm minimizing the screen. Okay, yeah, clear the window. Okay, ELN. Have you observed here it is showing membership operator, membership.py, Python membership.py. See, both are true. Let's see why it is true. Yeah, it is true. Apple, it is there. Banana, not in. Both are true itself. Okay, now print. Okay, apple. Okay, not in fruits. This is the true or false?
False.
Yeah, false only. Now don't forget to save it. Save it. Short form is what? Control S, guys. Generally, you can use it. Now my ML, same window, use it. That is false, correct only. It is true only, right? APPLE, not in fruits.
False.
So yeah, it is false, correct, sorry. Okay, it is a false. So this is about what? Membership operator. Please remember, so membership and identity operators, always output would be true or false. Okay, true or false.
Sekhar, I'm a
Now,
bit confused about these colons, apostrophes, and all. So, any particular format to use them?
which one? Which one?
Um, Semicolon and apostrophes.
That are not required here, I know. So C# and the Java developer bit confusion. Semicolons, colons are not at all required in Python. That is the rule. Okay, that's why Python, we are calling it out was interpreter language. Interpreter. It will support functional oriented programming language and object oriented programming language, procedure oriented programming language. All of three of them, they have combined and released the Python. Got it? Yeah. Now, how can I comment it? Control /. For example, I am giving name equal to Python. I am giving Python. Okay. Now print. Okay, print. I can say P. Okay, what is that? P. Yeah, you can mention py. Okay, py in name. Is it true or false? Okay, print ABC in name. True or false? Okay, print uh, T. Okay, I'm T in name. What is that? It is true. This is false. Am I right? This is what? True. Let's see. Save it. Don't forget to save. Now go to ML. If you want, I can. Okay. dir. Okay, you can use same thing. See, true, false, true. What is that? True, false, true. This is the true only. ABC is not there in the name. Okay, so this is what? True. True, false, true. This is the correct answer. Okay, guys. Yeah, so these are what? Operators. I have discussed about what? Arithmetic operators. Second one is what? Comparison operators. Okay, third one is membership operator. Sorry, identity operators. Fourth one is membership operators. Four operators we have covered. Okay, we will go for in-depth and one by one, guys. Now, I am going to discuss about another thing called conditional statements. So, if you observe, so far we discussed about what? Okay, so far we discussed about what? First thing is what is Python? What is Python? Second thing is what? Variables. Okay, third one is what? Data types. Okay, fourth one is convert relevant data types. Convert the data types. Okay, print statements. So we discussed the fifth one is what? Built-in. What is that? Functions. Okay, print. Okay, we discussed about string. These are what? Built-in functions. Not string. Print is the built-in statement. We discussed. Okay, and sixth one we discussed about what? Operators. Okay, in operators we covered what? Arithmetic operators. Next, comparison operators. Next, identity operators. Next, membership operators. Okay, now seventh one we are discussing about conditional. Okay, statements. What are the conditional statements? Can anyone tell me, guys?
If
Okay, very good. What
Switch.
else? Yeah, if statement, if else statement, nested if, while statement. These are what? Conditional statement. Okay, very simple. If else are conditional statements. Okay, now what is the if? What is the conditional statement? Now you tell me. What is the conditional statement? Condition. If condition is satisfied, it will execute block of code is called conditional statement. Are you getting? Let's see. I will present it one beautiful PPT. I will share with you all these things, guys. Okay, conditional statements. So what is the condition? What are the conditional statement? Conditional statements allow your program to take the decision. See, if, okay, so if A greater than B, if this condition is satisfied, then block of code will get executed. So conditional statement allow a program to make decisions to run or not. So they execute specific block of code based on whether condition true or false. For example, if, okay, age greater than 18, okay, cast for the vote, cast the vote. Okay, if less than 18, you are not eligible to vote the for elections. That is how conditional statements. Okay, now they 100% here you have to follow indentation. Do you know what is the indentation? Already we discussed it. Indentation. Indentation. What is the indentation, guys? You must follow the four spaces. Okay, for example, if A greater than B. Okay, see, here only we have to follow. For example, you have to follow four space, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Then only you have to write the statement. Okay, yeah, next. See, here it is giving if condition block of code. Here we have to give the 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces, then write the code, guys. Okay, yeah, next. If condition is true, it will get executed. If condition is false, then other condition will get executed. Okay, generally in C, C++ and all, you can see what is that? If, else statements. Here we can call it as if, elif, guys. What is that? Elif. Okay, elif, our final statement is what? Else, we can use it. Clear? We will see. Now have a look. So this is the one. Okay, if condition true, block of code, elif, block of code. Okay, so if condition is true, this is the one. Elif, a condition two, else, what is that? Block 3, it will get executed. Clear? Guys, any questions, any doubts? How we have C++ if else statement, no? Here they have elif. Okay, I will show you. See, now minimize it, navigate to this one, try to create what? Another file. Okay, here our Python file. Okay, condition.py. What is that? Condition.py. So let's see. I am giving age equal to 20. I am giving. Okay, if what is that? See, generally syntax. Generally, we use age greater than 20. Like this, we will give it in real time. I mean, C sharp, Java, Python, C sharp, Java, C++, and all. Here, no, nothing is required. Here, little bit syntax has been changed. That's why I presented the PPT. If condition, colon, mention the block of code. That's it. So here, if age, okay, age greater than 20, colon. See, this is the indentation. If I write here, print, you are eligible for vote. Okay, is it, it will throw an error. Now save it, go to command prompt, clear the window, ELL, it will give you list of files. It will give the list of files. Now here I am giving what? Condition.py. Okay, what is that? Python condition.py. It is throwing an error. What is that error? Can you read it out, someone?
Indentation error.
Yeah, indentation error. Okay, what is that? Indentation error. Indentation error means it is expecting the spaces, 4 spaces, to articulate the better coding structure, guys. Okay, now if I go for condition, what it is saying? Asking 1, 2, 3, 4. Now try to save it. Don't forget to save. Now go on here, use it, execute it. It should execute it now. It has been executed. But print statement not displayed, right? Yeah, it should display. What is the statement? Condition dot.
No, because age is greater than 20, only then it will
Yeah,
display.
correct. Yeah. So now I want to take it as an input. How can you do that, guys? By default, the input value should take as input from command prompt. How can you do that? Integer, come on, input of Please enter the age. Okay, save it. Now go for here. Okay, clear the window. Now execute it. See, please enter the age. I am giving 50. So dot it is giving, right? It is giving winner. Now again clear the window. Execute it. Age is 50. See, you are eligible for vote. Again, my age is like 13. Nothing. We haven't provided any else condition. Am I right? Okay. Yeah. Now, see, how can I do that? Now you can mention else. We have only two. Okay. Colon, print. You are not eligible for vote. See guys, even Microsoft also it is giving what is that lines and all to articulate it. So how many spaces are there? 4 spaces for better coding architecture, guys. You may have query that why 4 spaces are required. You can say 1 space. Will it work? Yes, it will work. Now this is also will work. Let's see. Go for this one. Clear the window. Now execute it. My age is 10. See, first statement is working fine. Okay, now again, my age is 60. See, it is working fine. You are eligible to cast the vote. Okay, what does it mean? If you give single space, it will work. As per best practices, it is asking for what? 4 spaces. Okay, you may have asked that, okay, can I put tab button? If it is 4 spaces, yes, no worries, guys. Okay, now save it. Again, go back and execute it. Clear the window. Execute it. My age is like 11, 13. You are not eligible for casting the vote. Nice, right? Okay, so there are three else, if, else. But directly I have used two statements. When there is a if else, two conditions we are using. Okay, or else if multiple conditions are there, then we have to use in between elif, 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 elif. Are you getting? Okay, I do not want to make you confusion. Do practice it. If you know the basic, then we will move fastly. Now, see why I'm doing this one. No, trust me, in real time we will use this method only, guys. Mostly for AI ML. Okay, why? Because, for example, your code is there in GitHub. For example, GitHub is there. We will come to that point. I am showing you why we can also use our own, what is that, Visual Studio Code and install it. That is also good. Fine, I don't deny that. For example, this is the Python project I am maintaining in GitHub. Now copy this one. Okay, copy. Go to here. So I can use git clone, paste it. Okay, paste it. See, my code is importing into my local now. My code is importing to my local. Okay, dir. Okay, ls. What is the code name? See, Python project 1. CD, I can say Python. Hit enter. Clear the window. Okay, dir. ll. See, the list of files are there. List of files are there. You can mention code app.py. App code app.py. See, it is asking to install sudo snapshot. Sudo scy sudo snap. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. 116. 117. 118. 119. 1 Install code. Snap code published using confinement list performer now. Okay, fine. So after installing it, my code is there here. This will train and deploy it, guys. That's why we are pointing about this is the one. A real-time, what is that? Working structure this is. Okay, that's why I created ML, created the one complete here. On top of it, it is running. What is the my VM name? My ML VM. Clear, everyone, guys? Nice, right? This is what is that? Notebook. Simply technical people are also calling it as notebook LLM in Microsoft. Notebook LLM. If we implement LLM structure here, large language model, that we can call it as what? Notebook LLM. That's why you can go for Copilot. Okay, you can ask notebook in LLM Azure ML Studio. Yeah, see what it is saying. Using notebook in ML Studio. Built-in Jupyter environment, compute instance, collaboration, you can use it. Okay, you can use Azure LLM. Okay, fine-tuning model or not. Same code, guys. Okay, so try to make habit of using this structure and also on-premise as well. Okay. So, condition statement not yet completed. Tomorrow we will discuss it. Then we will go for loops, loops condition. So these all if else is condition. Next we will go for loops. Loops means while loop, for loop. What is that, guys? While loop, for loop. So here we can see nested if. What is that? Nested if. What is the if else condition? What is the nested if else condition? That also we will discuss. Okay. Yeah, practice it. It is important. Tomorrow we will connect back. There we will explain about nested if else conditions, more if else conditions. Okay, so important. See, when I go for here, my VM, here we have security things. Okay, here we have what? Prawn flow, my flow. Many things are there. This is the YAML file text. Logs and all here only we can verify, guys. That's what I am telling. This is important. So when I go for samples, there is a tutorials. SDKs are there. Okay, Python, data wrapping. Okay, data. Okay, so this is the .csv file. Okay, clone these files. So, what does it mean? This is the real architecture I am trying to say. Now data and all loading, see. Titanic dot CSV file. So these data only we are going to train and deploy it. See, there is a huge data is there. How we can pull this data? Okay, guys. Okay, yeah, we'll see that one by one. That is important. Okay. Yeah, practice it and come back. If you have any question like installation, creating the ML Studio and all, please let me know. I will clarify your doubts tomorrow. Then we will move forward. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah. So, sir, actually, I'm looking for the cloud actually. So, when we can gonna start it, or what topics we can cover here? So, can we say that? So we can
Azure
put like
Cloud
a
App
cloud
Service.
engine.
Yeah, App Services, storage account, Active
Ah,
Directory, virtual machine.
okay, okay. Can we say that like so? Can we call like cloud engineer? Like
Cloud
we can
AI
put that
engineer.
in
You
this
can call it out. Yeah.
cloud AI engineer. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, we will have some buckets and these things, right? So
Yeah,
that
so
storage
you might
things
have
also we
seen
can.
about that bucket keywords in AWS, right? Here we are calling
Ah,
it out storage account.
okay, okay.
Okay, yeah. Whatever
Yeah,
the
yeah, okay.
technical term we have used, right? That bucket in AWS, here we will use storage account. Okay.
Mm,
Yeah.
mm, mm. Okay. So here in the initial stages, you said like agent Gen AI, right? So those things also we can cover deep, right?
Yes,
Hello?
yes, yes. Correct.
Hello?
Yes, yes, correct, correct.
Okay.
I'm
Yeah,
audible,
yeah.
right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're audible. No, no. Initial stages, you said so we got some idea on it, but
Yeah.
we need some more deep dive, right? So that's what I'm just expecting. So that will cover, right, in the future classes.
Yes, yes, yes. That will cover. Yes. So that's
Okay.
what I do not want to make you confusion. That's why first everything shown me in local and come back cloud and all. Everything I'm showing in the cloud itself. See, here only it is giving, right? Generative AI plan flow, notebook samples,
Mm.
shortcuts, recent viewed, compute instance. I have created my one. Anytime you can stop and do that. The moment when you click on stop, I can save the budget and all. So whenever it is required, I can start it. Documentation. What is the machine learning documentation? Everything it is in the cloud itself, I am telling. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Stopping the VM now. So I am using 32 GB RAM. This is the cost. That's what once work is done, no, automatically it will get stopped for one hour ideal. So we can save the cost, we can work on it. So try to how usage of the portal, no, try to use maximum, guys. Why? Because nowadays development and all happening in the fly, like in the portal itself. Okay, developing the application from local, push it into GitHub, from there pull it into applicational. That is lengthy process. Now they are doing like a shortcuts, everything in the cloud. Push the code from the cloud to GitHub, GitHub to local, and deploy into cloud environment. That is how it is moving forward. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.